Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on Singapore Airlines so you can save on flights as a student. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to sign up for a KrisFlyer account. To access student discount, you need to be a KrisFlyer member. Open your browser and search for Singapore Airlines student discount. Click on the official Singapore Airlines student discount page. Click Join KrisFlyer and sign up for an account. Complete your registration. It's just free. Step 2 is to verify your student status. To qualify for student fares, you must verify that you're a student. After signing up, go to the Students Privileges sections and click Verify Status. Provide the required details and upload proof of enrollment like student ID and enrollment letter. Wait for confirmation from Singapore Airlines. Step 3 is to enjoy your student benefits. Once your student status is verified, you'll unlock exclusive student perks, including 10% discount on economy class fares and additional badge allowance, 40 kilogram for 3 pieces, depending on destination, and free in-flight Wi-Fi on selected flights. Earn KrisFlyer miles for future travels rewards. Now to book. Log into your KrisFlyer account and search for flights under Students Privileges. Select your ticket. Your discount will be automatically applied. Complete your booking and enjoy the savings. That's how you can get a student discount on Singapore Airlines. Thank you so much for your watching.